If you want to buy 3D printing a try, but held off because of cost, new lower prices give you a chance to get started. 3D printer deals continue to drop prices. One of the most exciting and innovative developments of recent decades, 3D printing technology has proved to be a great fit for a variety of great industrial and professional applications, from low-cost home fabrication to medical device design. As a hobby, 3D printing has become more accessible than ever. To help you get started and save some cash, we've put together a list of the latest cheap 3D printer deals. We've also included a short guide that gives you the basic information you need before you jump in. In this review, we will be discussing in details about the best cheap 3D printer available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. It was obtained after hours of researches, and it has been listed based on economic, features and prices. In this list are diverse alternatives available for buyers. So whether you need best cheap 3D printer, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide Present Top 5 Best Cheap 3D Printer. Let's get started with the list of the best cheap 3D printer. Number 1. Geeetech Acrylic Prusa i3 Pro B, Unassembled 3D Printer DIY Kit. Features: new GT2560 control system. Multiple filaments compatible. Further simplified structure means fast assembly and easy adjustment. Paired with LCE 2004 panel and SD card reader, supports standalone printing. Print technology, FFF/FEM. Build volume, 200x 180mm. Operating system, Windows, Mac, Linux. Modified all-metal X motor end. Check product link and price on video description below. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more updates. Number 2. Elegoo Mars 2 Pro, Mono Msla 3D Printer. Features: 2K monochrome LCE. Multi-language interface. Built-in active carbon. CNC machined aluminum. Cob UV LED light source. System: EL3D 3.0.2, Slicer software, Cheetahbox. Multi-language interface. Check product link and price on video description below. Number 3. Creality 3D Ender 3, 3D Printer DIY. Features: modeling technology, FEM fused deposition modeling. Printing size, 220*220*250 Compatible with various 1.75mm printing filaments like PLA, ABS, TPU, etc. Safely protected power supply and resume printing function. CNC machining of Y-rail mounting groove to make sure precise positioning. Check product link and price on video description below. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more updates. Number 4. Tronxy XY2 Pro, new upgraded 3D printer. Features: high-quality auto-level sensor. Single cable design, complete wiring installation in one step. 3.5-inch full-color touchscreen. Automatic leveling. Resume printing after power. Filament run-out detection. Check product link and price on video description below. Number 5. Anycubic Photon Mono 3D Printer. Features: fast printing with 2K high resolution. Perfect prints and ultra accuracy. Sturdy design with Z-axis dual linear slide. Anti-UV light transparent cover design. Technology: LCE UV photo curing. More creative space. Z-axis rail structure. Matrix parallel light source. 8 times anti-aliasing. One-piece release film. Check product link and price on video description below. Thanks for watching us. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.